Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Pinterest for business easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your Pinterest for business, start by creating a business account. This gives you access to analytics and advertising tools. Ensure your profile is complete with a professional logo and a clear business description. Use keywords relevant to your niche in your profile description. Next, confirm your website to claim your content and enhance credibility. Create boards that align with your brand and target audience. Aim for a mix of content formats, including infographics, videos, and images. When adding pins, use high-quality visuals to attract attention. Craft compelling descriptions for your pins, incorporating relevant keywords. Utilize Pinterest's Rich Pins feature, which provides more context about your content. Engage with your audience by repinning, commenting, and liking others' pins. Regularly update your boards with fresh content to keep your profile active. Schedule your pins using Pinterest's scheduling tool or third-party applications. Monitor your analytics to understand what content performs best. Use these insights to refine your strategy and focus on high-performing pins. Join group boards within your niche to increase your reach and visibility. Participate in Pinterest community discussions to enhance brand awareness. Lastly, stay informed about Pinterest trends and updates to adapt your strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.